fake thug, no love, you get the slug. CB4 gusto, your luck low. I didn't know till I was drunk though. You freak niggas played out, get fucked and ate out. Prostitute turned bitch, I got the gauge out. 96 ways I made out. Montana way, the good FELLA. Verbal AK spray, dip the tachi. Jump out the range, empty out the ashtray. A glass of Zay, making mad Cassius Clay. Red dot plots, murder schemes, 32 shotguns. Regulate with my thuns, 17 rocks gleam for one ring. They let me let y'all niggas know one thing. There's one life, one love, so there can only be one king. The highlights of living, Vegas style, roll dice and linen. And terror spinning on millenniums.
Check it out. Shoot my
I like this.
Now to all the ladies in the place with style and grace, allow me to lace these lyrical douches in your bushes who rock grooves and make moves with all the mommies. The back of the club, sipping Moet is where you find me. The back of the club, macking holes, my crew's behind me. Mad question asking, blunt passing, music lasting. But I just can't quit because one of these honeys Biggie got to creep with, sleep with, keep the ep a secret. Why not? Why blow up my spot? Cause we both got hot. Now check it. I got more Mac than Craig and in the bed. Believe me, sweetie, I got enough to feed the needy. No need to be greedy. I got mad friends with Benzes. See notes by the layers. True fucking players. Jump in the Rover and come over. Tell your friends jump in the GS3. I got the chronic by the tree. I love it when you call me Big Papa. Throw your hands in the air if you's a true player. I love it when you call me Big Papa. To the honeys getting money, playing niggas like dummies. I love it when you call me Big Papa. You got a gun up in your waist, please don't shoot up the place. Cause I see some ladies tonight that should be having my baby. Straight up, honey, really, I'm asking. Most of these niggas think they be macking, but they be acting. Who they attracting with that line? What's your name? What's your sign? Soon as he buy that wine, I just creep up from behind and ask you what your interests are. Who you be with? Things to make you smile. What numbers to dial? You gon' be here for a while. I'm gon' call my crew. You gon' call your crew. We can rendezvous at the bar around 2. Plans to leave, throw the keys to little C's. Pull the truck up front and roll up the next blunt so we can steam on the way to the telly. Go fill my belly. A T-bone steak, cheese, eggs, and Welch's grape. Conversate for a few, cause in a few we gon' do what we came to do. Ain't that right, boo? Forget the telly, we just go to the crib and watch a movie in the...
No niin, ollaan edistytty. Takarengas on vedetty rengastus sillä kokonaan ja toinen puoli kanssa. Sitten pitää pillit vielä putsata ja kehät ja sitten killotella nää uusiksi kokonaan ja pistää joku silikooni tohon kumin pintaan, et näyttäis paremmalta ja eturenkaaseen toinen puoli vedetty ja tää on saatu kanssa alkuun pikkuhiljaa. Tälle tehdään kanssa sama juttu kaikin puolin. Kytkinkoppakin saatiin maalattua. Yllättävän hyvä siitä tuli, vaikka paukulla vetäs. Sitten nää tullaan vielä tasaamaan, kun toi lakka on täysin kuivunut ja sit kiilotellaan loppuun tää keskiosa ja tasataan just kaikki. Ja kun sais vaan vesipaperia lisää, pitää käydä koot hakee. Ja kone meillä on tällä mallilla, että unohtu pistää viime tilaukseen kytkinkopan tiiviste, eikä millään massalla viittis lotrata, niin pitää se tilata ja sit päästään koneen kimppuun ja maalaan noin lohkot vielä jossain kohti ja sit päästäis kasaamaan. Jees, siinähän nuo vanteet ois kiillottamista vaille valmiit ja vähän paskaa kaikkialta pois, niin alkas tulee ihan ok. Joo, voitais nää matkustajatapit asentaa seuraavaksi. Näis nyt on vähän lähtenyt maaliin, mut ei voi mitään. ei vittis oikein jokaista kohtaa vetää eri sävyllä ja ei nyt vittis tällaisia pulveriinkaan viedä, niin menkö tällaisia.
Freedom of jail clips inserted. A baby's being born, same time a man is murdered. The beginning and end. As far as rap go, it's only natural. I explain my plateau and also what defines my name. First it was nasty, but times have changed. Ask me now, I'm the artist, but hardcore my signs for pain. I spent time in the game, kept my mind on fame. Saw fiends shoot up and do lines of saw my close friend shot. Flatline am I sane? That depends. Carry Mac 10s to practice my aim. On rooftops, tape CD covers the trees. Line a barrel up with your weak picture and squeeze. Street scriptures for lost souls.
No niin, saatiin matkustajan tapit sinne paikoilleen. On tarpeeksi hyvät ja joo, katsotaan mitä seuraavaksi tehdään, jos tässä nyt jotain keksis.
To the corner thugs hustling for cars that cost dough. To the big dogs living large, taking it light. Pushing big toys, getting nice. Join your life is what you make it. Suicide, few tried to take it. Belt tied around their neck in jail cells naked. Heaven and hell, rap legend, presence is felt. And of course, NAS are the letters that spell. Not like life or death. My rap, my poetry's deep, I never felt. Not like half man, half amazing. No doubt. Not like life or death.
No niin, nyt on paperia lisää, niin ruvetaan kiillottaa tätä kytkinkoppaa.